Welcome to the speaking session of IELTS exam. My name is Isha and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And I'm going to record this meeting for marking purposes. So may I see your passport?
Yes, sure, ma'am. It's here.
Thank you. What is your full name?
My name is Kanika Bilmani, but in short, you can address me as Kanika.
Okay. So for part one, I'll ask you a couple of questions to get you know better and some questions on general topic. So what do you do for fun?
Mostly in the evening times, we are really free and we don't have much activities to do. Only that time that time slot is considered for our fun activities, where either I do some exercise or I go to or I visit a nearby park for it is being considered as some exercise activities only, or I spend time with my friends.
Okay. So where do you like to go on vacation?
Being a lover for Himachal Pradesh, I mostly love to visit hill stations during my vacations.
Okay. When is the best time to travel for you?
I love to travel in case if it's the hill stations view side. I love to travel during June, July, as the weather is quite pleasant and cool.
What is your favorite way to travel?
I like to travel by a roadside, by either a public transportation system or by leasing my own car, which is quite an appropriate way to spend time with your nearly ones.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Probably not yet. I haven't traveled to another country.
If you would ever visit any place on earth, where would you go?
I would love to visit Maldives, as it is entirely surrounded by clear crystal waters, a beautiful blue skies, and even on the water, housing boats are a much way attractive spot for the tourists.
So that's the end of part one. Now let's move to part two. So here is a note paper and a pencil for you. You'll have 1 minute to look at the question and think about the answer for next 1 minute, and you have to speak for next 1 to 2 minutes. So the question will be displayed on your screen.
Hello. Namaste, Anku.
Okay. Your 1 minute preparation time is up. So please begin speaking.
It's been a past 1 year since our college are closed, but it was during my college days back in the year 2019 when I had joined my college, and during that time I came to know that in our in uni in a six college, single sex college, we were not allowed to use mobile phones in the entire college area. It was only outside the gate where we were allowed to use our mobile phones to catch up with our friends or family members. Uh, um, our college had hosted a prayer activity related to some religious event in the playground area for which the entire college had gathered up over there. It was strictly prohibited for the use of mobile phones over there. Even our mobile phones were switched off or at a flight mode during that time phase. Even further, a girl was being caught using her mobile phones since she was a hostler. She was talking to her parents and were informing her family members about the health, from where she got caught and was strictly scolded by the college authorities. I felt that it was a bit nostalgic and was a great idea to for strictly discarding the use of mobile phones during that time spot, since that particular time was completely towards devotion towards God, devotion towards the Almighty God, and uh, it even reminisced us about the school days where we used to get up for the morning prayer without our mobile phones, without our digital devices, and were completely devoted towards our prayers towards God.
So let's move on to part 3, where I'll ask you more questions related to this topic. So what is the impact of cell phone?
Cell phone, with the advancement of technologies, the cell phones or these digital devices have also taken a gradual turn, where these cell phones are used as a multi-purpose device, multi-purpose device, like we can catch up to our friend or family member at any time of the day, or even at late nights. These can also be used as these days. Mobile devices or these electronic gadgets have been replaced by traditional use of newspapers, since everyone prefers to have an online medium through which they can get the resources regarding each day activities. Even it is considered as a fun time for posting our pics, pictures, and even listening to songs, dancing activities, and much more.
Okay. So what is the smartphone used most for?
While the exams are approaching near, each and every month we have either of the exams. Like almost all the fields of study have exam in almost each and every month. So these are quite used for the study purposes, like the online streaming channels or the online tutoring classes being provided these days are a very useful source for tutoring students, and they also help in providing them proper guidance by sitting at any place, anytime.
So what is your opinion about selfies?
It ranges from person to person whether they are photogenic or not. Personally, I like to click selfies only when I am quite beautifully dressed up. If I'm embracing myself during that time of the day, I like to click pictures, but mostly I do not.
Okay. So that's the end of part 3, and that's the end of your speaking session as well. Thank you, Kanika. Your result will be told to you tomorrow. All right? Yeah, you may leave the meeting. Himanshi, are you able to hear me? You need to switch on your screen. Okay. So, are you able to hear me? Okay. Welcome to the speaking session of IELTS exam. My name is Isha, and I will be your examiner for this part of test. I'm going to record this meeting for marking purposes. May I see your passport, please?
I don't have any passport.
So, what is your full name?
My name is Himanshi Sen.
What may I address you?
You can address me Himanshi, ma'am.
Okay. So for part 1, I'll ask you a couple of questions to get you know better and some questions on general topic. What do you do for fun?
I listen to music, ma'am. I read magazines. I read newspapers. That's all.
Where do you like to go on vacations?
Maldives, ma'am. I would like to go to Maldives on vacation.
Okay. When is the best time to travel for you?
Best time to travel for me is the rainy season because I love that monsoon season. So the bliss of rain is enough for me. Yeah.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
No, I didn't got a chance till now, but I would like to explore some new places in my life.
Okay. If you would visit any place on earth, where would you go?
It would be Vegas.
Why?
Vegas is a city of lakes, probably mostly. So I would like to explore that area as it is a part of interest in my life. So I would like to explore that area on the earth.
So this is the end of part 1. Now let's move on to part 2. Here is a note paper and a pencil. You'll have 1 minute to look at the questions and think about your answer. And then you'll have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. You can take notes in 1 minute if you wish. I'll tell you when to start and when to stop. And your 1 minute preparation time will begin as soon as you'll see the question on the screen. Okay, Vanchi, your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
Oh, yes, ma'am. So an occasion where I was not allowed to use my mobile phone was it was on July 8 of previous year. We went to Ujjain Mahakal temple. The auspicious view was amazing to watch, but alas, the phone was not allowed to. It was not allowed to capture anything. It was not allowed to make videos over there, and it was not allowed because of the security reasons and privacy reasons of the shrine. And I felt a little bit sad about that because I wanted to capture that magnificent view, but I could not. But somehow I understood the situation, and I just glanced the event by just my eyes. And I felt that sometimes it is okay to not always stick to your cell phones, and you should be present in your lives completely by ourselves. So that's all now.
Let's move on to part 3, where I'll ask you more questions related to this topic. So what is the impact of cell phones?
Please pardon, ma'am.
What is the impact of cell phones? What is the impact
I'm
of cell
sorry,
phones?
ma'am, your voice just cracking with me.
I'm
What is the
asking,
impact of
what is the impact of cell phones?
what is the impact of cell phones? Cell phones has gradually changed our lives from just, if we talk about just from that Nokia or the keypad handset to the Androids. It has allowed us to communicate a person sitting from one place to another city or another country. It has made that communication barrier completely changed, or we can say it has hampered the communication barrier between people, between cities, between countries. On the other side, as we talk of now of the modern era, the cell phones has completely changed our lives. In today, like in previous times, people used to chat in groups, form groups, and communicate about the social issues and the things going on around themselves. But nowadays, people are so glued to the cell phones that they don't even need another person in their lives to communicate, to to discuss something. Only the cell phones are the medium that they are using for entertainment, for capturing pictures, setting alarms, talking, communicating, and they are also now. It has also replaced the televisions earlier, which used to be the group of collective source of entertainment in the previous times. But as of now, it has also replaced the entertainment industry, entertainment source in the homes.
Okay,
In the
Himanshi. What is the smartphone used the most for?
WhatsApp. Basically, it is basically used for WhatsApp to communicate, to chat. Chatting has been the trending thing on the smartphones as of now.
So can you please share
simply-
some other uses of smartphones as well?
Smartphones has a good thing that it has now enabled its location, that we can even share our locations to. So in earlier times, it was very difficult to find the routes, the GPS systems. So I think as of now, to locate, we don't have to ask address to some unknown persons, that we are self-capable to find the routes by all ourselves. So I find that GPS system inbuilt in the cell phones is very helpful to the users.
So what is your opinion about selfies?
Any device, any electronic gadget or any other gadget has both its boons or bans. So basically, if we use any technology, any gadget in proper way, in the required manner, it always has benefits. But if someone crosses the limits, someone uses it excessively, or in some harming ways, then it has its own disadvantages. For me, I considered my overall opinion about cell phone is that it is beneficial in today's world. We cannot imagine our world without it, because it is so essential. It has become a part of our lives. We need it to communicate, basically, to chat, to send messages, or share information with our peers and our families.
Okay. So
That's
what
all.
is your opinion about selfies?
Selfies. Ma'am, it is a trending thing which mostly people use to capture the moments they are living in. It is a good thing. I don't want to give some negative opinions about that. But in my opinion, I consider that taking selfies is not a bad idea. But posting them just in order to show, or in order to please some other persons, showing where you
Code which I use for registration.
Thank you. So what is your full name?
My full name is Pranav Mahajan, but you can
What
call me
may I
Pranav.
call you?
मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया.
What may I call you?
You can call me Pranav.
Okay, Pranav. For part 1, I'll ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better, and some questions on general topic. What do you do for fun?
I always do play video games for in my free time to entertain myself.
Where do you like to go on vacation?
I always prefer to go on beaches and some hilly areas and for trekking in mountains.
When is the best time to travel for you?
Um, I often travel in hard in a month, so the best time is at the weekends.
What is your favorite way to travel?
My favorite way is to travel. My favorable ways to travel is by my own car and by train because it feels so jovial while traveling by car and train.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Not yet. I have never traveled to another country because but my dream is to go Canada.
If you would visit any place on earth, where would you go?
I would definitely love to go. Uh, I would definitely love to go Scotland because it's my dream place to go to see the amazing view of the Scotlands and the Knights of Scotland.
That is the end of part one. Let's move to part two. So here is your pen and paper. You will have 1 minute to look at the question and think about it, and then you have to answer it in 1 to 2 minutes. You can take notes for 1 minute, and I'll tell you when you have to start and when you have to stop. So here is your preparation time, and your question is going to come on the screen. So your preparation time starts now. Okay, Pranav, your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
There are many parts of a success, which there are many. Wait. Success comes from the path of failure, by which we get to learn about our mistakes. The thing I had failed, I had not successful in my thing is swimming. Uh, I was a kid when I used to swim, and moreover, I go to competition where I have to perform my swimming in dolphin stock. So in swimming, I reached behind all the players in the competition. I feel very disappointed after I work hard and best and got my position.
That's it.
मैम मेरे को पता ही नहीं चल रहा क्या बोलूं.
Let's move on to part 3, where I will ask you more questions related to this topic. So, Pranav, can you tell me what is the definition of success according to you?
According to my viewpoint, success always comes from failure. The number of failures you have, the person will be successful.
What things do children try to succeed in?
Uh, Children always try to move move better and better, not to rest and not to be demotivated. They should always be motivated while they're doing other things.
Okay. Which do you think is more important for people to become successful? Hard work or opportunities?
uh, the both are keys to success, but I believe in hard work, because by doing hard work we don't see for opportunities come for us.
Do you think people would be happier if they didn't have any goals to achieve? Do you think people will be happier if they didn't have any goals to achieve?
No, I don't think so. People would be jovial while they don't have any goal to free.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome to the speaking session of IELTS exam. My name is Isha and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And I'm going to record this meeting for marking purposes. So may I see your passport? So you're going to show it, okay? So what is your full name? What is your full name?
My full name is Taranpreet Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can call me with my nickname as a Taran.
Okay. So for part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get you know better, and the same question and some questions on general topic. So what do you do for fun?
I normally do for fun. There are many activities like I like to watching TV, as well as I like to use my mobile phone.
Okay. So where do you like to go on vacation?
On vacation, I like to go for any other location which far away from my home, as well as I mostly like to go for go with my friends.
So what is the best time to travel for you?
I think according to me the best time for travel in a summer time, because in these days I free from my works.
Okay. So have you ever traveled to another country?
No, I had not any chance. I had not any chance to travel in other country.
If you would visit any place on earth, where would you go?
If I get a chance to go any other country, so I would like to go. I would like to go international countries because it's my dream.
Okay. So that's the end of part 1. Now let's move on to part 2. So take some note paper and a pencil You'll have 1 minute to look at the questions and think about your answer, and you'll have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can take notes in 1 minute if you wish. I will tell you when to start and when to stop,
Yes.
and your 1 minute preparation time will start as soon as you see the cue card on your screen.
Okay.
Your preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
Well, in my life, I have spent many occasions, and I was fully enjoy there with my friends as well as sometime with my family members also. But here I would like to speak on an occasion when I was not allowed to use my mobile phone. It was happen. It was happen. Then when I was in my 11th standard, my school was organized a function. In this function, there are many students also participate for there are many students also participate for show their actions. At that time, my school principal announced this note. You are not get up your mobile phones. So at that time when I was listen it, I I felt very sad because I planned with my friends. I planned with my friends on this function. We collect a lot of pictures as well as um, I as well as I want to did many other things with the help of my mobile phone. Um, the main thing why my why my school principal not allowed the mobile phone because in this function
Okay. So your time is up. Let's move on to part 3, where I will ask you more questions related to this topic. What is the impact of cell phone?
there are many impact of cell phones nowadays many children use mobile phone for playing games. It is very harmful to their eyes.
Okay. So what is the smartphone most used for?
Repeat, please.
What is the smartphone most used for?
The smartphone is used for many things like contact with others, as well as search for many things also, and for fun.
Okay, what else? What is your opinion about selfies?
I think it is a I think on some range it is a good for people because
Yes. Do you ever take selfies?
yes, many time I take a selfie, sometime with my friends and sometime with my family members also, because selfies.
Why you take selfies?
I take selfies because first of all it's my hobby, and moreover it is a good thing for remember something uh, which which sometime I was forget from my mind, and then I was there, and whenever I use my mobile phone gallery, and I can anytime remember something.
Okay. So that is the end of our part 3.